In this video, we'll see how we can give sign in with Google option in your Shopify website for user. Here you can see I get option continue with Google. I can directly log in or register with my Google account. So we'll see how we can add it in Shopify for free. Let's go. Just go to your admin dashboard of Shopify, click on settings. Here, go on customers account. Here you can see authentication option. Click on manage. Here you can see available connection. You can connect Google or Facebook that can user can use that to log in into Shopify account. Just click on connect on Google. Now what I need to do, you can see I need client ID and client secret and need to add these detail in my Google account. What you need to do, click on Google Cloud Console link, you will be redirected here. Now what we'll do, we'll click on create a project. Now create new project, name your project. So just name it Shopify login. Very simple. Click on create. Now your project is being created. Just wait, it takes some time. Now after project has been created, select your project. Now after selecting, what you need to do, I will just remove it. Now you just click on navigation menu, click on API service, click on auth consent screen. Here, click on get started. App name, I will say it login. User supported email. Select the email address. Click on next. Click on external. Contact information. Select your email address. Click on next. Click on finish. Continue. Create. Now it's creating. Here it has been created. Now don't do anything. Now just go here, go again on IPN and click on credentials. Here click on create credential and select auth client ID that we need. Here you can see auth client ID and auth secret key. Now just copy this authorize JavaScript origin, or y- you can copy any one of it. I will copy it. Application name, web application, web client one, authorize JavaScript URL that you have copied. Paste the both URL here. Now authorize redirect URL. Do the same thing. Copy these two and paste there. Click on create. It's very simple to create. Now you will get client ID, secret key. You can download your JSON file or you can just copy and paste it here in client ID and secret. Client secret. Here click on save. You can download and keep it if you want to reuse it again. Now click on turn on. It's turned on. Now let's go to our website and see if there is option of Google login or not, or we are facing any issue with it. Click on account. One more thing you need to do. You need to enable this. Keep in mind customer account one time OTP each enable, then only it will work. To keep that in mind, if you haven't enabled customer account, go there and enable it, then only it will work. Now here you can see sign in with Google or sign in with shop you are getting. What is shop? You can see from here. Click on what manage and I will just turn it off. I don't need it. Now here you can see So that's why you can easily link Google option for login in Shopify. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.